morning, I'm Olivia Chow and my brother Sammy Chow.
We would like to present you a product named Leumas. Leumas is a thermoelectric generator kit which harvests heat waste into electricity. Let's demonstrate how TEG kit works. We light up a T light bulb on top of a heatsink attached with TEG, and the wire connect to DC booster, which increase our voltage for our experiment. We can try with LED. And a more smaller LED. Now we can try DC motor. And last but not least, buzzer. As a conclusion, we hope you enjoy our product and educate young children about energy harvesting from heat waste into electricity.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.